students, welcome to Science Surfers. Today we are going to study our chapter Earthquakes. Two type of natural phenomena that happens in the environment. The one is known as meteorological, which takes place due to change in the atmospheric conditions. They are lightning, thunderstorm and cyclones. Other category of phenomena are geological phenomena which occurs in the earth. So they are volcanic eruption or earthquakes. Meteorological phenomena can be predicted by calculating the conditions of atmosphere like wind speed, temperature, humidity, etc. But it is very difficult to predict the volcanic eruption. The earthquakes, they are unpredictable. In this chapter, we are going to study about earthquakes. An earthquake is a sudden shaking or trembling of the earth caused by a disturbance deep inside the earth crust. हमारी जो अर्थ क्रस्ट है उसके डीपर लेयर्स में कुछ डिस्टर्बेंस होती है एंड दैट कॉजेज द अपर सरफेस ऑफ द अर्थ टू वाइब्रेट एंड कॉजिंग earthquake. Earthquake causing many damaging effects. It causes the damage to buildings, to dams, to roads. It causes landslides, floods and tsunamis. It can also cause damage to life and the property. What is tsunami? Tsunami is a series of huge sea waves that occur due to an earthquake beneath the ocean floor. Let us try to understand what happens during an earthquake. The outermost layer of the earth called crust, which is not one piece. हमारी जो अर्थ कंप्लीट आउटर क्रस्ट पोर्शन है वो एक कंप्लीट पीस ना होकर इट इज डिवाइडेड इनटू मेनी प्लेट्स एंड दोज प्लेट्स आर नोन एज टेक्टोनिक और लिथोस्फेरिक प्लेट्स. जो हमारी अर्थ क्रस्ट है वो स्मॉल प्लेट्स में डिवाइड है और उन्हीं प्लेट्स को हम कहते हैं टेक्टोनिक प्लेट्स. एंड दीज प्लेट्स आर लाइंग ऑन द मोल्टन मैग्मा विच इज प्रेजेंट इनसाइड द मेंटल लेयर ऑफ द अर्थ. These plates are moving continuously due to the movement of the magma inside the earth. And when these plates slide past each other, so by the movement of these tectonic plates, earthquake occurs. The boundaries of the plates are interlocked due to friction, but the rest of the plates keep moving. So when the force of these moving plates overcome that friction, they just slide past, slip, एक दूसरे से slip कर जाती हैं, thus causing shock waves or seismic waves. The boundaries of the plates are known as seismic zones or fault zone. Means जहाँ पर उन planes की boundaries interlock हो रही हैं, उनके ऊपर का जितना भी अर्थ सरफेस है that is known as seismic zone or fault zone. They are more prone to earthquakes. और इन सिस्मिक जोन के जो प्लेसेस हैं वहाँ पर अर्थक्वेक रेगुलरली आते रहते हैं बिकॉज दिस प्लेट्स कीप ऑन मूविंग रेगुलरली. So earthquake most often occurs in these seismic zones. See the whole of the earth divided into this red boundary. It is showing the tectonic plate boundaries. The whole earth is divided into small plates. They are known as lithospheric or tectonic plates. And the area lying above these places are known as seismic zones. In India, the seismic zones are Kashmir, Himalayas, Indo-Gangetic Plain, Northeastern region, Kutch, Rajasthan, Andaman, Nicobar Islands, and some places of South India. These are seismic zones or earthquake-prone areas. The power of the earthquake is measured on a scale called Richter scale, which is named after Dr. Charles Richter, who designed this scale for the very first time. This scale is not a simple scale because on this scale an increase of just 2 points in the magnitude means 100 times more destruction. See, an earthquake of magnitude 2.5 on a Richter scale, it is not generally felt, okay, but the earthquake of 4.5 measures, they cause some local effects. And when this magnitude increases to 6 or 7, the earthquake becomes more and more destructive. The earthquake of the measure 8 and above may destroy the whole population of an area. This is how we can measure the strength of an earthquake and estimate the damage caused by that. Earthquakes produce seismic waves on the surface of the earth. Seismic waves are recorded by an instrument called seismograph. Earthquakes strike suddenly and violently without any warning. Earthquakes हमारे बिना किसी warning के आ जाते हैं. They may come at any time of the day or night. And when the earthquake comes, they may cause loss of human, loss of animal, loss of property, etc. So it is therefore most important that we identify the hazards that may be caused by the earthquake and take necessary precautions to protect ourselves as best as we can. हम लोग अर्थक्वेक को प्रिडिक्ट नहीं कर सकते पर उसके हैजर्ड्स को प्रिडिक्ट कर सकते हैं. व्हाट लॉस मे बी कॉज्ड बाय दोज अर्थक्वेक्स, सो वी कैन प्रिपेयर आवरसेल्फ, वी कैन टेक नेसेसरी प्रिकॉशंस इन एडवांस टू प्रोटेक्ट आवरसेल्फ फ्रॉम दोज हार्म्स और दोज हैजर्ड्स. If we are living in a seismic zone or the earthquake prone area, so the buildings in the seismic zone should be designed such that they can withstand tremors due to earthquake. That means the very lighter materials like mud, wood and light roofing material should be used instead of heavy materials. The heavy objects like cupboards, water heaters should not be fixed on the walls. All the buildings should have a firefighting equipment and some emergency exit plan should be kept ready. Safe places indoor as well as outdoor must be clearly identified and emergency communication and exit plans should be made available. So disaster management supplies like flashlight, first aid box, etc. they should be available on hand. These are the safety precautions taken by the people in the seismic zones. If we are caught outside in the open during an earthquake, so we should find an open area away from building, trees, power lines and we should lie on the ground. If we are in a car or a bus, then we should ask the driver to slow down and don't get out till the tremor stops. Necessary precautions that to be followed after the earthquake. We should stay calm and expect aftershocks. Beware of possible tsunamis if we live in a coastal area. If we are living in a seaside or a coastal area, then maybe tsunami is there because the earthquake may happen at the ocean floor. We should carefully inspect utilities. We should use the telephone only in the case of emergency. We should always stay away from damaged areas and we should help the injured one and do not create panic.